Go! Hey! So talented! Go up! Kailangan dito yung...
Can we ask for a picture? Can we ask for a picture? Let's all keep it. We will take a picture. Can you shut up? A picture. Okay, na. Picture. Give me a beat.
Toothy, what's up? We are Mamet.
That's all. Galing mo dun. Bulag ka dun.
At dahil dyan, magti-tiktok sa
At dahil dyan, solo ni Ate Malo. Dali na. Solo mo na. Sige na. Sige na. Mag-hype kami sa Lina. Let's go.
Ano gusto niya?
Na-feel namin kasi.
Damn right daw.
Hindi. Maloy. Okay, music. Nag-hype. Nagini.
Cozy corner. Shaggy ako.
Sige na, pakita sila. Sige na. Oh, Maloy. Mamay, kanta. Shaggy. Wala nang kailangan kumagal ang lahat. Wala nang kailangan kumagal ang pakiramdam. Basta dyan ka, wala nang kailangan. Can I just say? Wait lang, wait, Blooms. Thank you so much. Wait lang. Can we all agree? Na sobrang sexy ni Joanna.
$5.
Wow!
That's $5. But you know, it's an experience. It was so freaking good. It was so freaking good. Yeah. Ayoko para unggoy. Hey, no discrimination. I love monkeys.
Yes. Okay, Mings. Yeah.
Complete the sentence para sa ating mga Blooms. So by the time na magkita tayo ulit sa June 29,
by the time na magkita tayo sa June 29, kayo mag-a-answer. Anong... Atay, sasagot ba yun? Atay, sasagot ba yun?
I'm so sorry.
Beyond from
Winning!
roasted out.
Paris Hilton. Alden Rich.
See you!
I'm so sorry.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Wait a minute.
A few inches later.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No! God, please, no! No!
Ito nag-TikTok talaga to.
Gawin na lang natin lahat.
Sige, ano yung chorus?
Okay lang ba? Lahat na lang kami. O ayaw nyo. Ang ayaw nyo. Or si Mika na lang kasi lalabas kami. Dagdag din natin Maloy. Kaya na. Lahat na lang kami. Okay? Sige.
What do you know? And I love how Chicago is always clean because of your white socks.
What? Why are white socks?
White S-O-X. Oh, socks. So smart.
I thought it's socks, like the one we're wearing. Wale. But I also have a question here in Chicago. Chicago, what's the chica?
Go.
We love you, shit!
Lagot kayo. I love you.
Magtatampo si Shiki. Sorry guys, kasi lagi yung spins na joke. Pero, grabe, yung love ng Blooms here in Chicago ay sobrang deep! Hindi pa tapos. Kasi deep ng dish nyo here! Yan ang dinner namin later, deep dish pizza.
We requested.
And yung love nyo kasing tamis naman ng popcorn nyo. Ewan ko ba't puro pagkain yung spills ko. Pero grabe yung love nyo. Kaya naman, lagi namin gustong balikan ng siya. Ito na, game na.
Ulit. Say hi to my friend. Say hi to my cousin.
Hi, cousin.
Say hi to me.
Ulit, favorite ka nung friend ko. Sige. Favorite ka na ba kasi?
Ako favorite.
Favorite.
Ako bias kita ulit. Mag-away sa akin eh.
Bias kita.
Bias ulit, kulanon. Oh. Ikaw din, friend. Nagulat din po kami.
Ulit.
Ganda! Guwapa, Ate Moy! Guwapa!
Ulit.
Barkada na! Barkada! Pabas-bas! Pabas-bas! Move back, please! Move back! Day! Ikaw tubig, babe. It's a lot, thank you.
Where's Aya?
Yan, galing!
That is a natural bowler.
Yes, yes.
Look at her.
Yes, yes. Wala.
That is a natural bowler. Oh, that's the real natural. Watch her.
A chance to watch advanced screening of BB specials for free.
Oh yeah.
Ang daming free.
Yes, scan nyo lang yung guys, the QR code.
Yes, scan nyo po yung QR code dyan to pre-register.
QR code pala.
There.
Yes, pre-register by scanning that code.
Okay. At hindi lang June 11, guys. Dahil on June 29, BD 4th anniversary event here with you, Homecoming Fan Meet!
Yeah!
Yes! Imagine na to. June 11 yung anniversary natin, pero hanggang June 29 may celebration tayo. Meron tayong pre-fan exclusive meeting global members. Diba? They're not listening, guys. Oh yes, basta na yung mga mas kama na kami po. President pa ninyo. Okay, Vigo, tingin sa kanya. Yes, meron tayong free fan meet exclusive. Pag sabi ko tatlo, stop. Okay, free. Meron tayong free fan meet exclusive.
Ay, buntis ko. Grabe naman. Alam, mahulog!
What about yours? What's your favorite? My favorite line? Same. Oh, copy paste. You know why? No, you know why? Why? Don't know which way to go because we got lost, guys. Nawala kami sa Chicago. So, Teka lang. Ito na yan. Ay, sinigyan yung kwento niya.
What? Ayoko!
Bebe, you help me explain it,
Oh my
okay?
gosh, guys.
Okay.
Too much
Wait.
info, Jo.
Ito, okay. Sige.
Ako ba? Ikaw?
You continue.
Okay.
So first, we went to Chicago Outlet. So we did some shopping, yes. And then,
Am I with you guys there?
no.
Oh,
Sorry.
bye.
And then, Mika booked an Uber for, yes,
5.
for 5
The characters are me, Ate Jo, Ate Colette, Nix, Taco.
She booked an Uber because we were carrying a lot of stuffs and it was really heavy. Pero malapit lang yung hotel, ah.
Malapit lang,
Sobrang
mga
lapit
limang
lang,
kanto
5
lang.
minutes walk.
And then, is near, and then,
ayan na, sakay na kami sa Uber. Ayan. Oh, chill sa kami. Oh, thank you, Nix. Ayun na.
Hey, you're still gonna pay, okay?
Okay, later. Eh di, ayan na, binaba na kami sa hotel. Sabi namin, is this it? Tapos kasi ang palatandaan namin, yung ano natin, yung bus. If nakapark na doon. Tapos, anyways. So, yun yung palatandaan namin. So, sabi namin, hindi, baka nasa likod lang nakapark. And before that, we asked Mika several times, Mika, are you booking?
Wait! Let me explain.
Location.
First of all, the original hotel was right beside it, okay?
No.
It was.
That
was
was
far.
Okay.
okay, fighting.
You still owe me $4.
No fighting, please.
She's crying! Bebe, don't cry! And then what happened next?
Hirap na mag-explain.
So nandun na kami sa hotel, kami ni Mika, we were looking for our room. Room 621. But, tapos naman room 336. So it's 621 and then we were looking for our room. Tapos wala siya, parang yun lang yung walang room. Yes. So naghahanap kami. Pero sa amin ni Shi, meron room 336. So
Pero hindi nag-work.
Pero ganun kami ng ganun, no? Bebe, it's not working. It's not working. Why it's not working?
Yeah, and then,
Na-realize namin
and then, na-realize namin lahat mahali yung hotel.
Ang dami namin pinamili. Nakaganon kami lahat o lumipat.
Buti walang room.
Oh yeah, we called our
Miss
mother.
MQ. We called our mother, Miss MQ, and then we said, Mother, we're lost kasi medyo nagpapanik na ako deep inside. Yung pala, she said, just go to blah blah hotel. Tapos paglingon namin, andun lang.
Oh, see, it's here.
We just panic and it's organic.
Yes, we're just human beings.
We're just human. It's normal. It's normal.
So, ang moral, ang nakuha nating story doon,
It's okay to panic.
yes,
It's organic. That's the moral lesson. So,
Okay.
But, yeah.
out of my head yun.
Wala tayo sa control.
So what do you feel, Mix? What do you feel?
Okay lang,
that
di pa ako
moment?
I already said sorry.
Di pa ako nagbayad sa kanya.
Alam nyo, a lot of you guys haven't paid me yet. Not just this Uber.
I paid na.
Okay, let's get back on track.
Okay, don't fight.
Yes, okay, that's valid. But Big D, do you feel what I feel? You know, we've been so close to each other, being in this room. There's so much I want to say.
She's creepy. She's scaring me.
You're being creepy.
Like the Batman in there. Oh, there's a Batman. Okay, continue.
Eh?